Today we're going to be talking about the anatomy of the mouth. So this is the teeth, upper teeth and lower teeth. This is where the tongue lies. And then we have the cheeks on the side. This is the roof of the mouth called the palate. This is the floor of the mouth. And also, let's look at the different parts of the teeth. So starting from the midline, this is the central incisor, which is for cutting, lateral incisor. This is the canine or the eye tooth because it normally lines up with the inner part of the eye. And then we have the premolars. And then after the premolars, we have the molars, which is for chewing. So this is all the anatomy of the teeth. And the part you see above the gum is the crown, and the part below the gum is the root. And the gums are very, very important. If you don't take care of your gums, you end up with inflammation of the gums. And also, if you brush too hard, for example, if you brush horizontally, do not brush like that. Or use the roll technique. If you brush horizontally, the gums recede and does not grow back, and it causes sensitivity, which is very, very painful. Thank you for listening and see you in the next